Today, guys, I have a Wantable box to open with you guys. So this is the first time that I've ever received a Wantable box. I have done Stitch Fix for years and I love Stitch Fix, but I see so many people, they love Wantable just as much. So I thought that I would give Wantable a try. So I'm anxious to see if the stylist got it right with me for the first time. If you're not familiar with Wantable, it is a subscription service. You can choose how frequently that you want to receive a box. They have a style edit or themed edits, and I chose to do a style edit because I didn't see any of the themes that I really liked too much. So it is a $20 styling fee, and you have 5 days to try everything out. And then if there are things that you don't want, you just send them back in. So let's just go ahead and see what is in the box. I'm super excited to see what is in this box because this will be the first time ever trying them, and I want to see how well they did. So, gosh, it looks like there's a lot of stuff in here, you guys. So let me pull it out so we can take a look. I love how it says styled for Amanda. So a little bit of personalization on there. So here is what it looks like. Looks like there's some pretty colors in here. So let's see. So it comes with something that shows all of the items that are in there and the total price. And then it also has a note from your stylist. And then here's your prepaid shipping return package if you have anything in here that you don't like. So the first thing is going to be this top from Horizon in a size medium. Gosh, this is super soft, you guys. And it says Nature is Calling. It is the Nature is Calling graphic tee in heathered plum, and it is $49 in size medium. This is super soft, you guys. I can't get over how soft this is. It looks like it's a shorter style. And I will try all these on as soon as we look and see what's in here. I'm excited because I haven't seen a preview or anything like that. So I have no idea what is going to be in here, and I have no idea what the stylist is going to think that I like. Next thing is from 78 and Sunny in a size medium. And it is the one shoulder jersey tee in rosewood. So there's that. So it looks like a similar color to the last graphic tee. And then there is a striped, ooh, this looks like a tank dress from Z Supply. It is the Sloan striped tank dress in white, and this is also in a medium, and this is $64. So you can see this. This is soft too, whatever this is. So this is long sleeve. I wasn't really wanting anything long sleeve, but this is from Wantable. And it is the brushed rib intermingled diamond top in dark charcoal size medium, and it's $69. I don't know, guys. And then it looks like a pair of pants, jeans, wide leg. It is from Vervet, and it is the high-rise crop wide leg in a chocolate malt size 29, and it's $84. So it's a pretty denim color. And then there is a crop jacket in here. I do like the lightweight jackets from Thread Supply. This is the utility jacket in washed navy, size medium. It is $78. So there's that. And then it looks like another pair of bottoms. Pretty color. It's from Democracy. I love Democracy, you guys. They are so similar to Wit and Wisdom in this absolution technology that they have on the waistband in a size 8 petite, and it is the Absolution high rise cuffed utility pant in rose taupe. Really pretty color, and it's $74. So it does have a little snap. You can adjust it to make it even shorter if you want to do that. So that's all the items, and let me go ahead and start with the try on. So here's the first item. It is that striped tank dress, and I do love a great casual knit dress for spring and summer. It is a higher neckline, but it's not too close to my neck, and I think it's really good. I like a striped one. Okay, so this one is from Z Supply. It is the Sloan striped tank dress in white, size medium, and it is $64. So I went ahead and put the little utility jacket from Thread and Supply with this to kind of see what that would look like. And I'm really liking this jacket, you guys. I like Thread and Supply. I usually get a lot of Thread and Supply on sale for the Nordstrom anniversary sale, but I think this looks really good together. So I like this. I love this cargo jacket. I'm a jacket person, and this is a nice lightweight one. Ooh, and I love that it has side pockets. So guys, what do you think? So this is the utility jacket in washed navy, and it is $78. So my stylist suggested putting this top with these pants. So these are really comfortable. I am so surprised of how comfortable these are. They're a denim and the color's beautiful. but they're not as stiff as I thought. Look at the stretch that come with these, and they're a nice wide leg, which I really love. They do have a raw hem on them, so you can see what these jeans look like. I've got a lot of room in here, and it is my normal jean size. And then the top is super soft, you guys. This is a good top, and I just kept my same bra on, so you're gonna see my bra. It is a one shoulder, but tell me what you guys think about this. I like the color combination, and this top is super soft. So the jeans are the high-rise crop wide leg crop. Guys, these are not crop on me. Like, I'm 5'5", and they're at my ankle. In chocolate malt, and these are $84, and then the top is the one shoulder jersey tee in rosewood, and it is $49. So I went ahead and kept the same jeans on, and then I put this diamond top on it. I don't really like these. These are almost like a bat wing. I don't know. This is not very flattering on me. So this one's definitely a no for me. This is the brushed rib intermingled diamond top in dark charcoal, and it is $69. So it's definitely not one that I like. So this is definitely going back. So I just went ahead and tried to do a tonal look. I thought this might be a little bit of a tonal look with the graphic tee and the democracy jean. But I love the fact that they are cropped, and then they have this little tab where you can button them and make them a little bit shorter as it gets a little bit warmer if you want them shorter. I do like Absolution Technology and democracy jeans. I have plenty of room in the waist. And this top is so super soft. I love this top, how soft it is. I mean, like, I don't know how this material could be this soft on a graphic. And it just says nature is calling. So what do you think, you guys, about this outfit or these pieces? So this top is the Nature is Calling graphic tee in heathered plum, $49. And the jeans are the Absolution high-rise cuffed utility pants in rose taupe, and they are $74. And then let's just kind of see, break this tonal look up and see if this would look good with these. I really like navy with this color, I think. So let's see how this utility jacket is. So I kind of like that together. I'm loving this utility jacket, you guys. So let me know what you think, guys. Which items would you keep out of this box? So the total for the box is $467. And if you keep 5 or more items, then you get a 20% savings, which would take $93.40 off. So the subtotal with the styling fee credit and tax, it would be $388.08 if I kept everything in the box. All right, guys, that is going to be it for my first Wantable box, and I think that it went pretty good considering that I've never ordered a Wantable box before. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.